Hello everyone, I'm Lucy and today we are going to create and connect a Phantom wallet to the Onocoy platform. So I'm already on the website of the Phantom app. I put the link in the description, but it's also very easy to Google this. So Phantom app download. We need to add Phantom to our browser. That's why we need to select which browser we are using. So in my case, I'm using Chrome. So that's why I click on Chrome and add to Chrome. Yes, I want to add the extension. And here it's already opened. So now I click on create a new wallet because I want to create a new one. I don't have one already. Now we have to create a password and make sure this is a very strong one as it will protect your wallet. So I use the password generator in order to get a very secure one. Yeah, so this is strong enough. Next on this page, you will see your secret recovery phrase. If you hover your cursor over it, it will show you the 12 words. Make sure to write them down, and I recommend you really to write them down on a piece of paper with your hand, because these 12 words will give you access to your wallet even if you don't have access to your own computer. But of course, never tell them to anyone because they, of course, can also recover your wallet and get your crypto. So make sure it's in a safe space. Okay, now check the box I saved the recovery phrase and continue. So you're all done. You can follow Phantom on Twitter. You can also follow Onocoy on Twitter. And let's finish this one. So now if I open my extensions on Chrome by clicking on the puzzle piece, I can see that I have the Phantom extension. If I click on this pin, it will always show in my browser window. Next, let's connect our Phantom wallet to Onocoy. I recommend you to restart Chrome after you first install the extension to avoid any problems of not connecting. Okay, so in the Onocoy Explorer, go to Connect Wallet and select Phantom, of course. Then a small window will open where you're asked to enter your password. And you have to confirm that Onocoy can view your wallet balance and activity and request approval for transaction, which means that Onocoy will be allowed to send you crypto. Okay, let's connect. So you can see this message here, successfully connected to the Phantom wallet. And you can also see here that you have displayed some letters of your public key. And the full public key can be copied by clicking this button. And you can also disconnect your wallet. Okay, now you're all set. You have connected your Phantom wallet to Onocoy and you're ready to receive rewards. So that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or would like to get in contact with other people from the community, feel free to join our Discord. The link is in the description below. See you next time. Bye-bye.